Hello, my name is Manjas Kazaba and you're on the Piano Keyboard Guide YouTube channel. Types of notes: note values or duration. Let's now take a look at 5 different types of notes or note values. Each of these notes have different durations. In other words, they tell the performer how long the note should be held for. The quarter note. British name, crotchet. Let's start with the quarter note or crotchet. Quarter notes are notated with a filled-in oval note head and a straight, flagless stem. This note lasts 1 beat. A quarter note is played for 1/4 of the duration of a whole note or semibreve. Therefore, 4 quarter notes equal 1 whole note. The half note. British name, minim. A half note or minim is a note played for half the duration of a whole note and twice the duration of a quarter note. This note lasts 2 beats. Therefore, 2 half notes equal 1 whole note. Half notes consist of a hollow oval note head, like a whole note, and straight note stem with no flags, like a quarter note. The whole note. British name, semibreve. A whole note or semibreve is a note equivalent to or lasting as long as 2 half notes or 4 quarter notes. It lasts 4 beats. The whole note has a note head in the shape of a hollow oval, like a half note, but with no stem. The 8th note. British name, quaver. An 8th note or quaver lasts for half a beat. It is played for 1/8 the duration of a whole note. It is half the duration of a quarter note, 1/4 the duration of a half note, and 1/8 the duration of a whole note. The 8th note amounts to twice the value of the 16th note or semiquaver. 8th notes are notated with an oval filled-in note head and a straight note stem with 1 flag. 8/8 notes make up 1 whole note. The 16th note. British name, semiquaver. A 16th note or semiquaver is a note played for half the duration of an 8th note. 16th notes are notated with an oval filled-in note head and a straight note stem with 2 flags. A single 16th note is always stemmed with flags, while 2 or more are usually beamed together. 16 16th notes make up 1 whole note. Counting notes. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 in your mind. Clap on each number. These are quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are quarter notes. Go to your piano or other instrument and play a note on each beat. Each note lasts 1 beat. These are all quarter notes. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 in your mind. Clap on numbers 1 and 3. Let's try this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You are counting half notes. Go to your instrument and play a note on beats 1 and 3. Each note lasts 2 beats. These are all half notes. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clap only on number 1. Let's try this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You are counting whole notes. Go to your instrument and play a note on beat 1. Each note lasts 4 beats. These are all whole notes. To play eighth notes, instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Clap on each number as well as and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Go to your piano or other instrument and instead of clapping, play notes on every number as well as and. Each note lasts half a beat. These are all eighth notes. 16th notes are twice as fast as eighth notes. For 16th notes, use the syllables 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a. Each note lasts 1/4 of a beat. One whole note equals 2 half notes equal 4 quarter notes equal 8 eighth notes equal 16 16th notes. Dotted notes. We will now take a look at dotted notes. To make a note last longer, a dot is often added. A dot increases the duration of a note by half its value. For example, a dot after a quarter note means that you should play a note for 1 plus half a beat, 1.5 beats. A dot after a half note means that you should play the note for 2 beats plus half its value, which equals to 3 beats. A dotted whole note means that you should play a note for 4 plus 2 beats equal 6 beats. Ties. A tie is a curved line that connects the heads of 2 notes of the same pitch, indicating that you should add the duration of each note together and play them as a single note. For instance, if there's a tie connecting a half note and a quarter note, you are to hold that note for 3 beats. If there's a tie connecting a quarter note and a whole note together, the note lasts for 5 beats. Rests. To tell a musician when to play, different types of notes are used. But what happens when we want to tell the musician not to play a note? To indicate this, you use a symbol called a rest. A rest in music is a symbol that indicates that there should be a period of silence. Every type of note has a corresponding rest symbol that has the same time value. Types of rest include the quarter rest or crotchet rest, which lasts for 1 beat, the half rest or minim rest, which lasts for 2 beats, and the whole rest or semi-brief rest, which lasts for 4 beats. Similar to an eighth note, and eighth rest or quaver rest lasts for half a beat, and just like a 16th note, a 16th rest or semi-quaver rest lasts for a quarter of a beat. Like notes, rests can also be dotted, indicating that the rest lasts for 1.5 times its duration. For instance, A dotted half rest lasts for 3 beats, while a dotted whole rest lasts for 6 beats.